tutorial has been created to help you learn how to critically evaluate a website in order to decide if it is a quality internet site. Please be sure to listen carefully and read the slides so you can learn all you can about this important topic. The standards that you will meet for successfully learning this information have been created by the American Association of School Librarians. Even as an elementary-age student, we hope that you can learn to access information efficiently and effectively, and then evaluate that information critically and competently. As with any lesson that you may receive in the classroom, this presentation also has learning objectives that we hope you will achieve. Just like in language arts when you begin to write a story, thinking about the 5 W's will help you begin to evaluate a website. Answering the questions who, what, when, where, and why about a website will help you decide if it is a reliable one full of quality information. Who. It is important to know who created the website. Does the person have a degree in this field? What do they really know about this topic? What reasons may they have for creating this site and sharing this information with you? Ask yourself these questions, as well as the 3 typed here on the slide, in order to decide if this is a quality site. The second question, what, goes right along with the who. What is the purpose of this website? Are the authors trying to sell you something or teach you something? Can the information and facts that are provided be verified on at least 2 other websites? Think about that, as well as the other questions listed here on the slide, while you decide if this is a quality website worth using. When. Asking these 2 when questions helps you to understand how up-to-date and relevant the information will be. When was the site created? When was the site last updated? Some topics may not need to be updated often, as they do not change over the years. For example, tigers or pilgrims. However, some information changes frequently, like popular movie stars or even presidents. Make sure what you are reading is current information. Where. The question of where is directly tied to who and what. Where does the information come from? Where can I look to find out more about the sponsor of this website? It is just another way of asking yourself to think about this resource in a critical way. Why. There are no simple yes or no answers to all of these why questions. But if you take time to think about these questions, you have a better chance of finding good quality information about your topic. Read them slowly and carefully to yourself so you can remember them when you need them. Practice. Once you have asked yourself the many questions related to the 5 W's, it is time to put your new skills into practice. You can ask the librarian for a paper copy of this slide, or any of them for that matter, so that you can have a handy reference guide with you while you are sailing on the web. By going through these 4 steps with many different websites, you can become a better person at deciding if the information on any website is worth using. Some definitely are, but be careful, because some are not valid or reliable and could give you misinformation. With practice, you can improve and then be a better evaluator in both middle school and high school. In fact, mastering this skill is a great way to be a better lifelong learner. You can be more than just a reader of information. Asking yourself these questions can make you a thinker. Further reading. If you would like to read more about website evaluation, the eHow websites are helpful. They have already been evaluated and have stood up to the test of all the 5 W questions. These 3 websites can help you learn even more. Good luck to you as you sail the web and navigate through all the information that is out there.